Okay, good evening to all. Good evening, sir. Prabhu, sir. Everyone switch on camera, your camera.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good
Ashwin.
evening, sir.
Yes,
Good evening, sir.
Yogesh. Bharanendra, sir. Yogesh. Good evening, Yogesh. Shashidharan.
Good evening, sir.
Imtiaz. Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay. Vinayak Kampal. Okay. Good evening. You reached Imtiaz? Imtiaz?
Yeah,
Can you
no,
get...
I'm still,
Okay,
I'm
okay.
still
No.
in the office.
Okay, no issue. Okay. I feel today is my first success. First success means, yes, Ashish sir, take action, he prepare, whatever the implement is doing, they prepare the proposal. The step is, first step is a token. What is mean token means, I have the idea, simple. If you have the idea, you have to write and execute. That the universe always align with you. Once you propose, automatically it will available for you. How people have something like this different? If you want to buy something, but you simply take action, then one by one step always coming. One step. First step yourself. Then automatically second step, third step, someone people always push you. How do you believe this one? Anything happen in your life? Everyone feel like this. Everyone life happened. Okay, something we tried, but we are thought always thinking about, I want to try. But actually we take action, then automatically everyone help for you. But after finishing, okay, this is simple. Why we are taking a lot of time? Why you are thinking a lot of time? Everyone have the feeling like this? So what is real? Same like we have to shut down our ear. That means you don't listen outside. You don't listen outside. You connect with the always community. Every day you have to use the positive affirmation. Whatever the emotion, you have to reset emotion. You have to create your energy. We are practicing every day morning. We are creating the energy. That energy always giving you something spark. Same Sashi sir and Vinayak Kampal happening. And Nitin and Krishnamurthy sir. So everyone utilize this energy. You are recharging energy. That energy, everyone have the body energy. You are used properly. You are not allowing the negative energy because of you are working on the conscious mind. Everyone understands something. You have some notification, automatically your hand going on. But actually you are practicing yourself. You are not listening that notification. That is a result. Okay, now no need because I need work. I have to do work. There is no urgency. Something you program your mind. You give the command in your mind. How to create the command? You have to start everything yourself, prayer, affirmation, something you have to do it. That automatically will happen. Okay. Everyone appreciate Sasiran sir. Are you available, sir? Where is okay, sir. Okay, everyone appreciate Sasiran sir. It's a wonderful.
Yes, sir.
The first initiation, he took the initiation. It's within 15 days, 15 or 20 days. So really very
Yeah,
happy.
15 days.
Okay, sir. How you feel, sir? Because you have to appreciate yourself. You celebrate your success before start. That is starting is very important. You are connected to community. Everyone's mute yourself.
No, I have done good, sir.
Yes, sir. You can speak, sir. How you feel, sir? You can unmute, sir.
Actually, it's a initiation from you, sir, because you have given me the light. I'm getting that warmth, sir, because in that only I'm staying there, and some inputs which you have given me, like daily exercise and morning prayers and morning mind refreshments, and everything goes me to give some focus on my work. Because earlier I was working, and that I don't have the greater difference, but now working with a smart work is a matter, and how we are working and how to promote, that is a matter. Because we go early, we go 8 o'clock at the plant and do works and come back at evening 6:30. Now I plan my work in a how to execute the work with a better optimized way. So in main thing, this in our civil plant we deal with mass and energy balance only, sir. So in that input I have taken from your classes which you have recorded in that. So in that input only I have executed this one, sir. This is one of the biggest input you have given me, and I'll also remember this for last, sir. If it is successful and everyone accepts
Yes.
this, then I can be somewhat happy, sir.
Yes, almost successful. So everything is successful because of. So what you do exactly? Because of this is a earphone box. This box, this is we are utilizing properly. But why is it giving the production? This is a prayer.
Yes, sir.
The morning, whatever doing, you are giving the prayer because of your work is a subconscious mind. You don't
Yes, sir.
care about your work. Everyone clearly understand. You don't care about the work. Every day your work automatically you can do it. But here you have to act as a conscious mind what you are doing it. Once start with the conscious, then automatically it align everything. Everyone thinking about paper only is no need, no important. But paper only is very important. Project related. You want to go higher level. This is very, very important. Paper to paper is a calculation. So paper is very important. The overall, you can understand the whole plant and the policy. What are the policies available? Okay, sir. So everyone appreciate Sachin, sir. He will share the slide. Okay, sir. I will give the permission, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can give that request, sir.
I have sent you the request, sir. Host is not allowed
wait.
sharing.
So once again, you have to give, sir.
Again, sir.
Yes,
I had
sir.
given,
Again.
sir. Shall I close it and come back, sir?
Yes, sir.
Share
I can
this
come
one?
back.
Okay.
Okay, now I give the access. Just you can check it, sir. You can share it now. Is it okay, sir? Okay, sir. Great, great. You just make it big size, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, you can ready, sir. Okay, you know that you're comfortable, you can do it, sir. Yes. First, give the best, give the a big appreciation for clap for success, sir. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, you start, sir. Your voice, you unmute, sir. You need to unmute, sir.
My name is Sashidharan. I am working in Cement Corporation of India. It is an government, central government sector cement plant. It is a very old, 25 years of plant, and we have a quite a big integrated plant with of capacity of 3,000 TPD, which dispatches all over Hyderabad and all over the Telangana state and Karnataka state. So quite we are facing a difficult portion in coal, sir, because since cement operation is one of the biggest and toughest operations, sir, because in cement, if you see the calcination, where we are first, the cement is taken from the earth as a raw material. If it is taken as a huge lumps, like bigger size of stones, which is having a size of more than 1 meter, it cannot be directly to made to heat treatment. It should be processed by making into size of 90 micron, and further to the size of 90 micron, we have to get at least of 2% or 3% of residue, because it will be like a talcum powder. So we process that cement by reducing the size of the product. If it is reduced to the size of 2% residue, and it is going into a heating process, take for example, I'll show you a photo in this. See this. This is the kiln. This is we call it as MFC, Mitsubishi Fluidized Combustion Chamber. Before that, there is a preheater system. Each system have a temperature difference. From each cyclones, there will be a temperature increase. From the top cyclone, it will be a 300, and after that 400, so that the metal goes directly to the 1000. It gets preheated. Directly going to the 1000, it takes more coal. So before going to the 1000 degree, we go to the step-by-step increase in temperature. So there will be a 4 stage, and finally we go to the kiln inside. So before that, we have a MFC system for heating up these cyclones, which is, I said that 4 stage cyclones are there. So MFC is a preheating of that is we call it as jacking of preheaters. So there we supply coal, and we supply coal in kiln also, where the major part of work is taken part. There the clinkerization will form. At MFC, it forms as calcination forms. Calcination means there is a process of making lime to the clinkerization procedure, where we take limestone as a basic raw material. It is converted to the clinkerization. After the clinkerization only, we grind it further and make it as a cement product and dispatch in the market. So this raw mill, that is limestone to the clinkerization conversion factor comes around 0.62 factor, 0.62. Here, the major heat treatment and calcination process is important for us, where we take a major coal consumptions. So nearly our coal is been a supply of G9 to G10, which is having a gross calorific value of 4,500 to 4,800 kilocalories of kg of clinker. Because this 4,800 is a huge calorific value, lesser calorific value, where our consumption is more. And per ton of this coal, that is Indian coal, what we use in Indian coal, called as Indian coal, is a cost of having 8,005 rupees as a landing cost. So to mitigate this one, we are struggling day by day. The coal consumption are increasing because the prices are also rising. Indian coal prices are rising directly day by day. So to mitigate that one, I have a small proposal to use an alternative fuel where the calorific value is higher, but we can use as a substitution rate for fluidization purpose. We call it as fluidization chamber. Okay, here I go to the calculation part. As I said, the limitation is a substitution part is a 10%. See, in fluidization chamber and kiln, both we use annually nearly 150,000 metric ton of Indian coal, 100%. 100% annually we use as 150,000 metric ton. In that fluidization chamber, nearly we use 70% of the coal, and major 30% of the coal in kiln part, where the clinkerization takes place. There the primary air and the kiln is burning. So that 30% coal is consumed. So the major consumption area where 70% is there. So we are planning both kiln and fluidization chamber, and carbon powder can be supplied to that. So I am trying to combine both as an 150,000, which is annually consumed. So in that, I am taking only 10% of carbon powder can be mixed with the Indian coal, and how much savings will I get? So that proposal I have made it, and carbon feeding is a today's cement plants is an alternative fuel which boosts the Indian coal to reduce the consumption of Indian coal, and it gives the does not affect our production parameters. Okay. First trial I am trying with the 5%, and later on we are going for the 10%. I have calculation for the 10%. The explanation part is coming below. See, I have done a small problematic questions. In this, you can get it through. A fluidization chamber, a raw milk powder. What we are heating is the raw milk powder, which is having a 200 TPH, and it is coming out as a 125 TPH. If you go this diagram, as I said earlier, raw milk powder, because limestone we call it as raw milk powder. Limestone we call it raw milk powder, which is having a residue of 2%. It is sent to the fluidization chamber. Input is the raw milk, and coal is to heat, give the heat to convert into the calcination process and send to the kiln, where it is forms a clinkerization. So to this fluidization chamber, I am planning with a coal of 20 TPH as a GCV of 4,800 kilocalories of kg. In this, I am substituting 10% for the kiln and the fluidization chamber. Both I am substituting as a 10%. So I am giving the clinker output as, it is a conversion factor, as you call as conversion factor, 0.62. It is coming around 125 TPH, because all the wastages in the raw milk powder is being exhausted through the, we call it as flue gas, is exhausted through the preheater, and it is going to the exit chimney. This is the proposal. Our rated output for the fluidization chamber, that is where the coal is being burnt to form a calcination process, it is giving us a 22 TPH. In that, only 10% I am replacing, that is 2.5 TPH. So, and for a kiln also it's the same, both combined together 22 TPH, and it both together I am giving as a 2.5 TPH as a 10%. Okay. On calculating as a whole, 1,50,000, which is a yearly consumption, 135 as a Indian coal, and 15,000 metric ton as a carbon powder. As I say, calculation I have shown here, annual consumption is 1.5 lakh metric ton. Both coal MSC 90% and Indian coal 10% as a carbon powder. So in as a 1,50,000, 10% is calculated is 15,000 metric ton. So the calorific value of Indian coal, that is coming around, is 4,800 kilocalories of kg. For the MFC, that is for the carbon powder, it is coming around as 6,427 kilocalories of kg. Okay, both the cost also is almost 1,000 rupees difference, which is the coming around our land. This is a landing cost at my plant. It is a landing cost, including the landing cost. Our Indian coal is coming via railway, and carbon powder is coming via trucks. So this will be the our Indian coal cost is 8,000 rupees, 8,005 rupees per metric ton, and for the carbon powder is 9,000 rupees per metric ton. So as I go with the step-by-step calculation, if you see our major input of the coal is carbon powder and the coal. So as a normal gas law formula, energy is equal to Q into GCV. Here I am considering for the carbon black is how much substituting the Indian coal. If I give 15,000 metric ton of coal, how much Indian coal is being substituted? So to calculate this, I am taking this as a formula, energy equal to Q into GCV. GCV, as you know, 15,000 metric ton is converted to the kg, and the GCV of the carbon powder, 6,427 kilocalories of kg. This much amount of energy is being generated and generated to the fluidization chamber. So on taking this as an input, divided by our GCV of Indian coal, because this amount of energy, if we divide with the GCV of Indian coal, that amount of coal is being substituted by the carbon powder. Take for example, take this as a 20,000 metric ton of Indian coal will be used in if we replace same amount of 15,000 metric ton of carbon powder. So example, if you say 1,50,000 metric ton of coal is being supplied in a fluidization chamber. In that, if I supply only 15,000 metric ton, I can save 20,000 metric ton of Indian coal. So there will be a 5,000 metric ton of huge savings for me. If we say I go with the calculations, see the quantity of Indian coal replaced by carbon is 20,084 metric ton, and a carbon powder cost is a 15,000. So difference of this coal is 5,000 metric ton. So 5,000 metric ton today, the cost of Indian coal is 8,000. So on saving is the impact is 4 crores for me. This is an annual cost saving on substituting carbon powder with the Indian coal. Okay, only 10% I'm taking up, only 10%. Okay, this is a 4 crores of saving annually I'm getting. So for handling this one, for handling of carbon powder system, there should be a mechanical equipments. So which I need to invest there, and for investment I need a mechanical equipment and electrical motors, which is a blower and which is a screw conveyor, which is a hopper, and which is a conveying system where I can store the carbon powder there, and I convey through blower system and supply to the fluidization chamber. So for that we need equipments which needs to be installed, and for the cost of mechanical equipment will be 60,000 and electrical equipment will be 5 lakhs, like motors and level sensors and screw conveyor proximity sensors and screw conveyor motors, elevator motors, all electrical costings comes around 5 lakhs. And mechanical erection also will be there, because simply buying and fixing, there will be a third party involvement of erection also. So for that also we have calculated nearly for tonnage nearly about 5 lakhs. Okay, on a total the investment of mechanism which needs to be installed to convey this carbon powder is 70 lakhs. Okay, on simply taking a simple payback period calculation is 70,000 divided by coal saving on substitution, that is 4 crores. We get it as nearly 1.72 months. This is on a total for fluidization and kiln. Both we are adding together. I'm getting this nearly 2 months. I can get this payback period. Okay, and another thing, the saving on ton of carbon powder. If I use 1 ton of carbon, how much cost will be saved in with the Indian coal? That is, if I take the coal cost of Indian coal, which is 20,000, comes around 16 crores. 16 crores. Minute, and if it comes for carbon black, same 15,000 at a rate of 9,000, it comes around 13 crores. Difference of this also, I'm getting a savings of 2 crores, which is, this is only for 10%. If I divide it with the carbon powder, I can get it nearly per ton of Indian coal, I'm saving 1,380 rupees. This is also an adding advantage for me. If I see everything, clinkerization is being formed. After clinkerization, where it goes? It goes for cement, and we are packing into bags, and the bags are being sent to the trucks, and trucks are being sent to the market. So basically, if I do this substitution, how much amount of cost is being saved in every post clinkerization area? That is clinker to cement we convert, and cement to we convert to the bags. But if we convert to the clinker, I am saving nearly 66 rupees 72 paise per ton of clinker. I am saving the rupees. And if we go for cement, I am saving 58 rupees as of 58 rupees and 14 paise for the cement production as a savings. See, if I generate 7 lakhs metric ton of cement, in that I am costing per ton 60 rupees is being saved for me. And for the clinkerization, I am saving 70 rupees. And for the bags, I am saving nearly 3 rupees. if I say I'm selling my in the market, I'm selling my bags, per bag's cost is nearly 250 rupees. Then I am saving this by substitution 3 rupees minus. So for per bag is a 3 rupees, means if you per day we are sending 10,000 thousands and thousands of bags. So 3 rupees into 10,000, see how much cost it is. So if we multiply number of bags, I'm getting nearly crores of money in savings in that. Okay. So at the same time, when I'm buying a rack through rail. See, each rack has a 58 bogies, and at a weightage of that is total capacity of 4,500 metric ton. So on saving of this carbon powder, on substituting of this carbon powder, I am saving annually 1.2 racks annually. See, in every month we are consuming 3 to 4 racks of coal. So in a year total, if you take 3 racks, I'm getting nearly 36 racks. I am saving 36 racks, means 35 racks I can use for the for making me calcination and the clinkerization process. So for one rack itself, I'm costing nearly 3 crores 60 lakhs. So in that also I'm saving a 3 crores. So for me, it is a 10% substitution of carbon powder in a calcination or in a clinkerization process. Project will be a viable one. This is my proposal, which I have been posted to you. And if you have any doubt, please let me know, and I can clarify up to my level. Thank you.
Super, sir. Super. Everyone appreciate suggestion, sir. If you have any doubt, you can ask, sir. He will share the step-by-step process calculation also, if any doubt. Okay, sir.
That investment part you just go. So that 70
Yes, sir.
lakhs. What is the investment?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah, this
it is
total
to
70 crores, no?
Sir?
The total investment you put is 70 crores. It's
yes,
it should
70
be
lakhs.
70
Ah,
lakhs.
yes, sir.
lakhs,
Okay, sir.
so
Okay,
that
sir.
is the
Okay, sir.
yeah, please see.
Sorry, sir. There is a mistake. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
One more zero you just
Okay.
change it. One more zero you reduce it.
Okay, sir. You can mention
Yeah,
nearby, sir.
yeah.
Lakhs. Okay.
Okay,
lakhs.
sir. That is correct. That is correct. Now it is correct, sir.
Okay,
Thank
okay.
you,
Now
sir.
it's okay. Yes. Any other doubt, sir? You ask, sir. Prabhu, sir.
No, the actually thing this is
Similar,
what I
similar for
just saw one
the
small totaling
similar
issue,
for
but
the
apart from
same
that, it's
same the quantity
So
as we had.
one by one, so you can raise question,
Cost
sir. You
savings
can
are
raise
in.
your hand, sir. You can raise hand. Then one by one we can allow. Prabhu, sir, complete, sir. Your side.
Yeah. That's what I just see that the totaling there is an issue. But other than that, it's a very good exercise. Really, congratulations, Sasidharan sir. You had made a wonderful working, and as well as it benefits the organization, as well as the nation also. So reducing
Yes,
the
sir.
cement price is the supporting for the infrastructure development departments who develops this country. So it's supporting for the nation also. Congratulations once again. It's a very good working and very good initiative you have taken, sir. I wish you that this will surely should be taken on through your management and
Okay,
it
sir.
should be implemented. But I'm very
Sure, sir.
layman on the cement process. So anyhow, I learned from you about the cement process. Also, you explained very well. So I was also got some more at least little bit knowledge from you about the cement processing.
Sure, sir.
Thank you. Thanks for sharing this. Really eye
Sure, sir.
opener.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Next,
Thank
Dilip,
you,
sir.
sir.
Everyone appreciate sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Prabhu, sir. Dilip, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He asked the same. No problem.
Okay, super, sir. Okay, Krishnamurthy, sir. You can unmute and you can discuss, sir.
Yeah. Sir, Mr. Sasidharan, sir, the
Yes, sir.
coal which is being used over here is of Indian coal or international coal?
Actually, in government, we are using only 100% Indian coal, sir, which is having a grade of G8, the calorific value of 4,500 to 4,800. Still, we are struggling that we are getting G11 also, which is very low quality, and we are trying to expedite that also, because we are, if
No,
as we get.
the main purpose of using coal in this clinker is for what? Why? Because there are Indian coal where the GCV of the coal is much lower than 4,000 value.
Sir, but as I required more higher calorific values, because I require higher calorific value so that I can give my output as a production will be calcination process will be very soon, because when the material is being flowed, it is by coming via gravity flow. So every stage, that is stage 1, as I said, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, it passes all the stages. When I supply this coal, the temperature should achieve as a 950 degrees Celsius. When I supply low quality coal, the temperature achievement will be also very low, because
Yes,
as a calorific the consumption will be higher. Because small example, I require to maintain 950 degrees Celsius in the fluidization chamber. To maintain 950 degrees Celsius, I need to supply the coal. So to supply this coal, I require minimum of 5,000 kilocalories of coal, kilocalories of calorific value. If I give 4,500, the consumption of coal will be higher. And at the same time, my coal operation, which I am grinding there, that I have not touched that one, which I am grinding there, that will also run continuously, where I will not get the output also very less, because the generation and consumption of the coal mill grinding also varies, because the coal consumption higher, then generation will also has to mitigate with the consumption also. So if I give more consumption, then I will generate only less generation, then I will get a kiln stoppage. That should not happen. So getting a higher calorific value will mitigate my running of the mills, grinding of the mills also will be smooth, and generation and consumption will be maintained equally. So for this, I am supplying carbon powder to mitigate the running of the coal mill should be stopped, as you get somewhat.
Got it. Actually, my purpose was that the purpose of using coal in this clinker, why? Because there are cement industries where earlier in our earlier organization they used to use this anthracite coal.
Anthracite coal also will be used.
Whereas the anthracite coal,
We
the
use
GCV is
Indian
around
coal is also
7,000
anthracite only.
plus.
Yes.
So that's why I have asked.
But we are not getting that one. And we use only Indian coal. And Indian coal we have searched all over India.
The lignite, right, sir?
Hello?
It's a lignite.
Lignite Indian coal, it is GCV is having 4,000 to 4,200 to 4,500, sir. That is also supply also is there, but the distance is higher. We are not getting, sir. We are getting here nearby
Usually,
Singneri.
Indian coal comes around 3,000 kilocalorie per kg. Or...
But I required higher, sir. Higher kilocalories, sir.
But you are importing, right, sir?
No. We are getting only from Singneri coal, sir. As I said, Singneri is nearby Telangana. There is a coal, as of likely a lignite is there, no, sir. Here, Singneri is there. Nearby, they give you Indian coal, which is having a GCV of 4,500 to 4,900. And also, we have tried with the west coal field also. So there also the calorific value is not matching with our requirement. And even we have gone for northern coal field also. We have a government sector, 4 different sectors are there. Odisha is the major coal supplier, and we get only through Singneri, which is adaptable, and transporting cost also is lesser for us.
But the
and we don't import coal.
Are importing from Australia now, sir.
Yes, Australian coal is there, but we don't do, because government sector we don't. We are trying off, but the cost of imported coal is higher, very higher. As of like simply, I say 5,000 metric ton of this coal, I need to procure for 12 crores. Then I have to use this one. I have to send this one, and the cost of
calorific value will be high, right?
Yes, it will be high.
Value will be little high.
Yes,
Do
sir.
you
Because
compare
it will
the
not be feasible for me.
Do you compare both of the in the cost comparison?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Because already we are trying of that also, sir. Because we are trying of South African coal and Mozambique coal. The cost of Mozambique coal, which is coming around 12,500 at a GCV of 8,500. So the cost will be very high, and we need to procure 2 to 3 racks. Then at the time, our
International cost
because
effective.
it will be higher. It will not be feasible for
International
us.
coal is
Yes.
international coal is a cost effective, but
Yes,
whereas
because
your
now gold
equipment,
is compared with the gold.
yeah,
Yes.
your equipment should support for that. You
Yes,
can
yes,
use an
mainly for
international
this.
coal. That is not an issue where you get 8,500 GCV value, but your equipment should support that.
Yes, yes.
That
Like,
is the main
main
thing.
thing, equipment is supporting part is different, but for us, the Indian government, as I've openly says, is financial implication.
Yes, that's
Financial will be higher. That needs to be supported.
yes.
The Indian coal will run with our mill, but
Hmm.
financial implication is higher. Then if I go with that implication, I should do the marketing also at the same time. That will not be happen. So that is a major drawbacks we fail here. We are trying of imported coal also, as you said, but how that feasible we are working on. This is my usage of alternative fuel in nearby cement plant. Also, I have seen it. They are going with a carbon fuel system, carbon feeding system, which is a feasible one, and they are using imported coal also, which they are getting, and now the imported coal cost also being increasing now, increasing. Same time it is increasing. They are avoiding that coal and they are increasing the carbon feeding system consumption also. As
Super,
I
super
said,
explained, sir. Yes, sir. Anyone, sir? Okay, 𝐿𝐻. Okay,
Sir, actually, you are using
one
carbon.
second. Vinod, 1 second.
Yeah. Hello.
𝐿𝐻 already hand raised. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Sashidharan sir, for this wonderful presentation and your opinion and your whatever your effort is really appreciable. Here, I think this is just a suggestion, or maybe as per my experience, I am just telling you this one.
yes, sir.
I think the savings you have mentioned, this is, I think, totally about the production process based, right, sir?
Yes,
And
sir.
you have also considered the transportation.
Yes,
There
sir.
are two parameters you have considered for the saving and your your analysis to save for the saving purpose. Okay. So my suggestion is, I'm not I'm just trying to say, my suggestion is just only, as you mentioned in your presentation, you are also considering some mechanical, electrical equipments as well, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
So I think you have not considered any saving related to the equipments. If you are considering for the equipments as well, so your savings will be,
Adding
as
to my savings, sir.
means
Cuts,
of
I
cost
understood your
will
point.
be
So using VFDs and all should be installed, but initially this is
right.
I got your point, sir. But after installation of this equipment, I can consider that also, sir, because that will me optimize my operation. Optimize will operation. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, actually, I am working as a from last 6 to 7 years as a sustainability professional. It
Acha,
means
acha.
we are mainly focusing on commissioning of HVAC or building equipments and some energy audits we are doing. So that's why, as per my experience, this one is, I just want to include it here.
No, sure, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
that's
Getting
all
your good
from
points.
my side.
It's a valid
Good.
point
And
because
Thank you.
optimization of operation is also very good for us. And after first, I shall install this one,
Yeah.
and I have to think for that also, because for the cost of operation cost also I have to reduce. That
exactly.
also I'll keep it
Before
in.
installation, you can take
Because
this point
in
also.
the because
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'll note it
Yes,
down.
before
you
any
can continue.
before the energy audit, or maybe after the energy audit. This one we are considering initially,
Okay, sir.
not in the operation stage. This is we are proposed. Yes, if you are doing the operation, if you are going for the operation phase, so this much of saving you will have. Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So that's why I am saying if it's good if you consider this in the initial phase.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. I'll do it, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll do it.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you for
Wonderful.
your.
Thank you,
Thank you.
𝐬𝐿. It's a wonderful point you are giving further. Before installation, we can consider motor also. The motor part,
Yes, sir.
the
Yes, sir.
automatic control, everything very important.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
super, super, sir, super, sir.
Here
Sir.
we have Mr. Murthy, who has a lot of expertise in this. So I think you will get more support from him, or as well
Sure,
our
sir.
teams mates. I think everyone has their expertise in their own field. So hopefully everyone will support you. Definitely.
Sure,
Thank
sir.
you.
Sure, sir.
Yes.
Sure, sir.
So that we are
Sure,
doing.
sure.
So we are the path. Okay, sir. Vinod.
Our sir is only the initiator here.
So just I give the point. So your suggestion, you take action. Action is your point.
Sure, sir. Sure.
So action is our point. You can utilize. I will give the final suggestion. Is very useful and wonderful.
Sure, sir.
What
Sure.
actual reality condition? Everything is reality condition. You can become what you think because you have the authority. Okay, Vinod
Yes.
Kumar. Any doubt, Vinod Kumar?
Sir, first of all the best, sir, for your project.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, for me, one doubt is there, sir. Actually, you are going to use carbon powder, so it will be so much of fines is there. So
Yes, sir.
when you using in the fluorescence chamber, there will be chance of escape in from fluorescence chamber. When you are fluorescing purpose, you are going to give air also. So for so much of fines is there available means you have to concentrate on the airflow also. Also,
Yes, sir.
apart from that, the moisture content, inlet side, carbon powder inlet side, what are the benefit to overcome the jamming related issue? You have to focus.
Yes, sir. For this also, in the carbon powder system, I have only mentioned the cost and the GCV only. Other than this, we have parameters also should be satisfied, because carbon powder procuring means the moisture is very 1% below. Point number one. Point number two, the carbon content of the carbon powder is nearly 68%, and rest is the ash, which we contribute as 21%. So
Okay,
in moisture also less than 1%, it may does not lead to jamming, but during raining season, I need to provide sheds and all, which may lead to the jamming of this system. So that will help me in reducing the jam.
Sir, the
Because
secondary firing air also is mandatory for overcome the issue to escape the fines.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. This is also a valid point. So finally,
Okay.
I have to say this one. Vinod Kumar said, super Vinod Kumar. It's wonderful. This every point you have to calculate. Analysis means.
Yes, sir.
Then finally give some suggestion. It's a wonderful, sir. Super, sir.
Okay,
Everyone appreciate
Sir,
Vinod Kumar.
one more this thing.
Yes, sir.
We are using carbon powder, no, sir. What is the risk that the fire and dust explosion while handling this, sir? Do you
Sir,
anticipate?
actually, yes, sir. You have cast a good point, sir. Because I have
Because I am from safety background.
yes,
So I am tech in industrial safety engineering.
100%, sir. See,
Sir,
this
just
carbon.
that.
Yeah, correct, sir. That is there, because carbon powder is a very fine one. Because when a human handles this one, it goes to the nose, then it gets a different thought of
No, this is a health aspect.
health aspects, health hazards also. I should be more cautious on that, because providing them masks and providing complete aprons to be given, gloves and all to be given, and after, before and
cardio
after,
obstruction pulmonary disorder
head wash.
will be the impact
Yes.
to the employees working in that. This is one aspect.
Yes, sir.
The other aspect is the fire. Dust is always the explosion, not the fire. So in
Yes,
case how you will handle in case each and every fine particle will accumulate with the energy, so it will form explosion. So how you will handle that? So one explosion lead to a serious consequences.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's a major
Actually,
problem.
sir,
Sir, one more doubt
yes,
is
sir.
there.
To
Sir, you
handle
are going
this one,
to,
sir. Hello. Hello.
sir, one more
Yes.
doubt is there. Sir. You are going to use separate bunker or blending with Indian coal, sir?
No, sir. Actually, I am using separate system. First, the carbon black powder, as Dulip sir asked to answer that one. So the carbon powders are coming with the bags. Okay. That bags will be taken through hoist, and it will be bottom, there will be open, small open, it will be tied off the knots. Okay. That will be opened and it will be inserted in the screw conveyor, and small opening will be there. The opening of the pipe and the opening of the pipe and the opening of these carbon bags will be the same, will be inserted type, and you will remove that knots and will insert into the pipe. So this will flow continues through the screw conveyor, and it will go into, we have a magnetic separator also, because here's magnetic tire chips also will come, tires also will come, where chips of metal will also come. That will be absorbed by the magnetic separator, which will be a belt type, and it will enter into the elevator, and there will be a going from bottom to the top, and it will be fitted into the hopper. There we are providing one back filter, which is venting from the screw conveyor, where bags and screw conveyor connection area, and the elevator discharge in the bins also. Both venting line is connected to the back filter, because both area where the dust can be spread out in the environment and creating a nuisance for us. So if we provide a venting line there, the suction of the dust will be absorbed by the back filter. And other thing, when we are feed into the hopper, the hopper below there will be a rotary lock, and the rotary lock will be pumped, that is pneumatic conveying system, through pipes. It will be joined to the MFC. So this rotary lock will have a control, because the dia of 300 dia, it will not reverse the fire also. It will act as a one-way discharge.
It will be earthed, no?
Sir?
It will be earthed properly.
Yes, the conveying pipe should be earthed, sir, because conveying with the blower air will create some charges that should be earthed in every 3 meters or 4 meters. That will do, sir, because I have an experience with that also. Because in fly ash, in coal conveying pneumatic systems and all, it should be earthed, sir. That is correct. This point will be noted, sir, because charging of pipe should be there.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Super,
and
sir. Wonderful, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Vinod, sir. As you said, that the metal coming through rotary locks will be patched item. It will not be a continuous one, sir. Some amount of carbon will go, then again air will come, some amount of carbon will go, because the rotary lock goes like rotary partner. So the carbon will have some gaps, and it will flow to the calcination process. If jamming of material, that is the blower load will be getting higher. So with that effect, we'll immediately stop the rotary lock and close the gate, and we check for the jamming of material. If jamming area is identified, we'll remove completely the material and we'll close it up the pipelines, and we'll again start the blower and check the emptiness of the blower line, where jam is there or not. If jamming of metal is there, the patch metal will suddenly go into the calcination. It creates a CO, where you said that.
Okay.
Yes,
sir, suppose you are blending with the Indian coals, means you no need to install the screw filter. Another blower is not mandatory.
Problem is what, sir? The residue, the coal, the carbon powder is a very light material. If I mix with the bin, sir, because our system is with we have a wafer system where the flushing will occur more. If I pass 9 tons of coal, the carbon powder is very light. So we are facing that flushing will be more, so that separate system to be given for the calcine system, so that it will be more safer and it will be easy for me, easy to handle this carbon powder.
Okay, sir.
Super, Vinod. Excellent, Vinod. Thank you, sir. Thank you for this
Thank you,
lesson. Nitin, anyone, you needed any Q&A? Okay.
Yes, yes. Only quick question. Very good, Shashidharan sir. Very
thank you, sir.
positive. Only my question, because I worked in St. Gobain in calcination plant, and
Yes, sir.
so
Sponge oil.
calcination means like I look after safety also, utility also. Currently, I am working in Corning, but one of my question is, please do FMEA.
Sure, sir. Finite element will do, sir.
Though FMEA is very much important,
Yes,
failure
sir. Yes, sir.
effect analysis.
There can be hazards can be
All
identified.
the process, okay, step by step, one from step 1 to step Z, means 10. Okay, in that, one part is how you will ensure that your carbon particle or carbon powder will be same calorific value sustained over 3 years. So that is a challenge for you.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Very
sir.
easy, but it's very challenging. Secondly, my question is regarding the mechanical equipment. When you design the mechanical equipment, please ensure they are means dust proof, means like there will be more dusting in the environment, and all the measurements should be there. Means load
Yes, sir.
frame, sensors. It's very much important what you put into the hopper. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the dust collector is very much important to it.
Sure, sir. Dust collector is a major part where
Yeah.
the dust will not be thrown to the environment, which creates human health hazards also, sir. Because
Yeah, fine. But
one of the
the challenge is after 6 months, your saving goes down, and the
sure, sir. That
environmental safety. Already many have covered the safety and environment part also. But do FMEA. So normally we
Sure,
do
sir.
it.
That is correct,
So
sir.
step by step process. Go slow, each and every step, and involve cross functional team.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
have
sir.
a
Yes, sir.
team, cross-functional. Also involve the purchase people also.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
The GSM team also, logistic also.
Sure, sir. Sure,
They
sir.
play the major role in this, because
Yes, sir. That is
the prices go higher, and after 6 months, when you prove the projects in the cost wise, it goes like you have done all the technical things, and when you have proposed for 6 months after the project value, then it doesn't show anything. So that is much important.
sure, sir. That
Sustenance
that I'm
for Q1, Q2, mean quarter 1, quarter 2 is very much important for any project.
sure, sir.
Okay, thanks. Thanks, Sashidharan sir. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Super,
Sure, sir.
super,
Thank
Nitin.
you.
Good input.
Thank you. Everyone appreciate Nitin and Tulip sir, Vinod Kumar sir, and Krishnamurthy sir, Prabhu sir, the MTS. So everyone asking the wonderful question. Here I observed the three type of, that means one is a calculation part. We done the calculation part. People asking all the question from the technical. Third part is a proposal, final proposal. What you have to consider third party, that you can understand. So every people,
Safety also.
yes, safety plus another part is a safety. Once operating everything, what are the safety parts? And material, what are the things? Maintenance calculation, that is also available. So people, everyone have the potential power. You are hidden you are all the power within you. So once you
Yes, sir.
started, one by one coming.
Yes, sir.
That is very,
Yeah,
very
on the
important.
discussion part only, I have getting all
Yes.
the points.
Yes. The spark is anyone need to start. Then automatically everyone help for you. Everyone understand now?
Sure.
How the universe actually working for. Sessions has just started with the presentation, only the simple calculation. But he got all the idea, what are the point idea, everything. Then automatically he can make it the proper structure. Once you done the one structure for this plant, cement plant, same proposal. There is no change. The cement is most complex. The most complex. Once you done this one, remaining very simple. So what are the structure, everything step by step. Then automatically people understand all the things. Then it's your
Sashidharan sir, one input, you are using coal, right? And then now the waste, whatever collected from the various companies, like GPL and all, that waste are now sent to cement industries.
Yes, sir.
So why can't you use that one, which will be the calorific value will be processed before that waste with the other waste, combining and making that the required calories are obtained. Why can't you use that one so that
As you
your
said, is the
buying cost of
segregation.
the coal can be minimized?
That is your correct, sir. Because today the cement plants are going with alternate fuel with the using of FMCG products and plastics and plain
We
sludges
are
and all. They are
sending
going.
to cement industry only.
Acha, acha, acha,
Our
acha.
waste, waste are sent for co-processing. After co-processing, it is sent to cement industry only.
Acha,
So
acha,
you
acha,
can
sir.
think of that.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. I can get your ideas also, sir. Because actually, our cement plant is plant is very old plant, which is in 1985, and it's a robust plant which has been designed by Mr. ABB and Babcock. So in this, I can use the alternative fuel, but it will suffice our production or not. I don't know, because we are if we use alternate fuel like FMCI product, plastics and all, there will be some NOx and SOx emissions will be higher. So to mitigate that, we should have bag filters should be supported in such a way that it should be retained off. So we are thinking first the step has been taken with the carbon powder, sir, and later on we'll go for that also, because we are challenging for that also, sir. I'm trying to do that also. So this is my initial step, and this should be propagated to our top level management. And if this project is being successful, then I can invest this one. And with this investment, I need to show this savings is the consistent one. As Mr. Nitin sir said that today the cost of carbon powder will be lesser. After 1 year, the carbon powder higher means I have to stop this one also. Then I have to go for alternative system. Then it will be a hamper for me. And in meantime, I have to capture that also, sir. So for main consistency, I am using this one. In between, I have to import that also, sir.
So one more thing, Shashidharan, from my side, go for it, because I have
Yes, sir.
many because of not taking action, and someone is taking the credit. So go for it. Don't go for what will be happening. Nothing. All will be good.
Yes, sir. Yes,
The
sir. Yes, sir.
intentions
Yes,
are
sir.
good. There are people to help you. Just go and bang it. So what I have learned,
Sure,
because
sir.
I have lost many opportunities because of that. And
Sure,
you
sir.
are
Thank you, sir.
only the hero of yourself. Go and
Sure, sir.
do all the fighting, nothing else. You
Sure,
will
sir.
be
Exactly.
successful. Yes.
Thank you,
Beautiful.
sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Super, super. Everyone is a wonderful session, sir. Okay, sir. You can answer your screen, sir. We will discuss, sir. Really
Sure,
great.
sir.
Oh, yes, sir. We have to appreciate you.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I have closed my.
Okay, sir. One side, sir.
Stop share. Okay. Done, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Really very, very happy, sir. Everyone appreciate. You have to give the love symbol for Sachin, sir. Really great. If you have the time, better everyone have the time. So you have to appreciate in our group, just share what are the point you are adding, something that is very, very wonderful. And my point of view, you are explaining everything super, sir. Wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
So, yes,
So
sir.
you have given some of the inputs, sir. That only I got, sir.
Yes, sir.
I
Because
exposed myself.
you already have the potential. Just is a bottleneck. Just opening the neck, you have automatically flowing.
Sure,
So
sir.
you got the opportunity. So you
Thank you, sir.
definitely get the opportunity. Your opportunity always available.
So
Today
the
you
main
know you
purpose
are.
of
Yes, sir.
the main purpose of sharing in this platform means because we have the persons in various fields, so that various fields of the inputs I can get it. Because same I will present in my cement plant persons, they will say only the inputs of the existing system. As I sit in front of you, you are giving me the input which is not think by me, which is not be searched by me. So it was a good input shared by all the persons, and thank you for that. And thanks for you also, sir, because you are giving me for this presentation more inputs have been given by you also, sir.
Yes, sir. You are giving some input, automatically I will help you. So
Sure, sir.
everything is a bilateral. The bilateral action, something you are giving, so I am giving. Same action is a universe also same thing happening. You are giving the 1.1 action, you are giving the one help one person, automatically you receive 100 help. If you stop not helping one person, you are not getting any opportunity. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
everything, something point is coming to in front of you, some struggle, anything, everything. So
Sure,
once you open yourself, automatically coming, sir. So my point of view, the calculation part, you have to explain every partner, sir, diagram.
Sir. Yes, sir.
You take it, yes, exactly. Preheater 4-stage available. You take it the diagram 4-stage, where exactly temperature, just add.
Okay, sir.
If you have the time, that is very
Sure, sir. I'll
useful
do
too,
this.
because of most of people don't know experience in cement plant.
Sure, sir.
They attractly they understand and the clinker and the free heat available, sir. That is one available
yes, sir.
cooling.
Yes, sir.
You can that box where you changing the fuel.
Sure, sir.
90% coal. Old system already I said, no, sir. One is a triangle
Yes, sir.
method.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Old system is a 100% Indian coal. You take it that one. New one 90% is Indian coal, 10% is this one.
Okay, sir. Both should be compared. Okay.
Yes. Then you only saving. Only you have to put a savings. Only you have to put it a saving. The saving is a
Okay,
A.
sir.
Then you have to explain about the what are the things. Explain all the people. Maintenance cost, equipment cost. One part is a completed coal cost. That is
Yes,
one
sir.
part. A. Second part, what are the maintenance? What are the equipment cost and the VFT? So then the for fuel cost, whatever the something is standard, they have to pay the tax and the environmental. If you release the carbon dioxide more, what you have to do extra add and the back filter, you whatever things.
Other miscellaneous cost.
That also you have to add clearly. That is then with people need clarity.
Sure, sir.
Thus you give the clarity. The document you are sharing the document that that document is a professional.
Yes, sir.
The professional means same people suggestions are have the knowledge in the cement plant. You can share that people they will understand.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
But me
Okay, sir.
and some other people, another people, so what is inside the material? We don't know. That's open.
Sure, sir.
Once
Sure, sir.
you
That
share
needs
it,
to be focused.
yes. Once you done it, your point of view, everyone got it. You can attach that also. You can attach like the diagram, very, very important. You have to attach the
No,
diagram.
I have the diagram.
Yes, sir. Super, sir. Every part, where is the calculation, where you have to add the material, where is the motor, something you have to add it.
Sure, sir.
Then overflow diagram.
Then
1, 2, 3.
mechanism of carbon feeding system also to be included. That also
yes,
will
sir.
include. Sir.
Yes, sir. Some over diagram, 1, 2,
Overview
3
of diagram
like
will
this.
be done.
Then this part, I had investment. This is past investment. Then automatically, okay, this person know that all things. If your cost higher or lower, definitely they will ask you only.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
People love simplicity.
Sorry, sir.
Yes,
Should
sir.
be explained in simplicity way. Way.
Yes, sir. Yes, a simple way. It is automatically your job completed, sir.
Sure, sir. I'll do that.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Wonderful, sir. You've done wonderful job, sir. Everyone appreciates, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank
There
you.
only one point. On the one point, I just want to tell it's the proposal which you have given. No, what all you are going to invest. Better, my suggestion is you can call some supplier and get a quotation for it for adding a new feeding system. So it will be more added advantage. You can have a very clear proposal to present. So that will be a good way of moving forward. So that when you are presenting to your management, if you get an offer, quotation for retrofitting this system to your clinker, so it will be more weightage to the project, and it will give more advantage, so that people may see that you have done a full cycle exercise to get these savings what you are projecting. So this is only one suggestion. So you can get one quotation also. There is a lot of people available in India who do the carbon feeding systems. So if you need any support, you can tell me. I can suggest some people who do the.
You can suggest me, sir.
Yeah,
because we
because
need that only.
I have 20 years of experience in handling carbons because
That's
I
what.
was from fire industry background. So we deal tons and tons of carbons daily and day-to-day activities. So whatever carbon
Sure, sir.
feeding you want, you can. If you need any help, you tell me. I will suggest
Sure, sir.
something.
Sure, sir. I need
Yeah.
that one only, sir, because keeping a system is not important, and there should be a continuous supply of carbon material also, and the
Yeah, yeah.
system should also be supply with the support the existing material also, sir. I need support, sir, because I can share my number also. Please give me
Yeah.
the contacts of the persons. I can
Zeppelin
get
is
it through,
the
sir.
person. Actually, in India, Zeppelin is the topmost person who do the carbon feeding system for India, Zeppelin. And so you can see
Zeppelin,
they are
India
the
Zeppelin, sir.
India Zeppelin. They have a Zeppelin UK, Zeppelin German, and Zeppelin India. Zeppelin India we have, so you can take them. Other
Okay,
than
sir.
that, Mesnak is a Chinese person, but don't want you Indian itself. You go Indian. Other people are there. I
Because
can
we
suggest.
have a government now, sir. Because as we are a government part, we go for an tender process, which is a
Yeah,
big.
L&T Cobalco is there. L&T Cobalco you can go.
L&T can get it, sir.
Yeah, L&T Cobalco or Zeppelin system you can go. So these are all the
If
people
you
who
have,
have experience in carbon handling. So you can use them. So we
if you
buy
have a
carbon
contact number,
handling.
you can share, sir, for that. I
Yeah,
can
yeah, I
speak.
can share you. By night is one more person who is in Mumbai. So by night, the first rank person is Zeppelin.
Okay.
So second you can go for L&T Cobalco. Third you can go for by night.
By night.
So all three people are because we have all three people systems with us. So it is very
So you
good
can give me the
feeding
contact
systems.
numbers. I can get it through touch them, sir.
I will share you. I will
Thank
share
you,
you.
sir. Thank you, sir, Prabhu, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Wonderful, sir. Everyone appreciate Prabhu, sir. It's a wonderful initiation and helping that all the way. You got the all the way support, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Really, really great, sir. Today's session is a wonderful. Really is a wonderful, amazing. I will share the recording, sir. You can go through
Sure,
the
sir.
recording also, sir. What are the doubts?
Sure.
You can
Thank you, sir.
collect. And the final we have discussed half an hour. Just you go through all
Sure,
the
sir.
doubt points, then note it, sir. It's very useful for you. Any doubt you can
It
call
is very
all the
useful.
people, all our community, sir.
Sure,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next
Thank you, sir.
session we will discuss a simple way, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, next session whenever available, sir. You prepare one by one you can explain, sir. Once
Okay,
you
sir.
start explanation, what will happening? You get more clarity. The clarity, when while speaking, you connect with the people, automatically get the clarity without any struggle.
Sure,
You
sir.
don't search any other thing from the all the way. You get the right
Okay.
thing from right people.
Sure, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
Super,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.